Hello, family. My name is Kuiper Yates. I am the program coordinator for the Martin Luther King Jr. Center here at Sacramento State. We're here to go over how to apply for the Heyman Matlock Scholarship. Before we start, I want to kind of give you a background on how this scholarship was developed. So Heyman Matlock is an alumni here at Sacramento State. He attended here in the early 90s. He was the ASI president while being here. And while he was running for president, he beat out a certain individual. This individual ended up becoming very wealthy, created a few businesses and entrepreneurship, and really, became very wealthy and wanted to get back to Sacramento State, in particular to the Martin Luther King Jr. Center. When it came time for him to actually come up with the name of the scholarship, the name that he could only think about was the name of the person who beat him in the ASI president's race back in the early 90s, which was Heyman Matlock. And so he reached out to Heyman Matlock. They had a lunch, they talked about it, and he agreed. And he said, yeah, you can name the scholarship after me. And so we are now blessed to have this as part of our services here at the Martin Luther King Jr. Center. Yeah, I just want to kind of give you a background on how this scholarship was developed and how we are being able to distribute this out to you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this off to our co-host, Essence. She is gonna be the our moderator for this, and I will be the student. Really just playing along and filling out this form and showing you how to go through this process step by step.
Hi, my name is Essence Bacon. I'm the lead student assistant for artistic expression and creative projects at SASC. And I'm just here to read through this to make sure you understand all of what this scholarship application entails, and hopefully you can get some money in order to help you along in your academic journey. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
The Heyman Matlock Scholarship opportunity for individuals participating in the Family Day performance. Applicants must have a 3.0 GPA, volunteer experience, and a pillar in the community, i.e., leadership, clubs, community service, on or off campus, and the amount awarded will be $1,000. The scholarship winner will be announced during our MLK Community Day on Wednesday, May 15th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. at the Cerna Plaza.
And I do want to highlight that you do not have to be in the Family Day performance, but we'll continue on.
You're going to put your first and last name, your social security number, your address, the city, state, and zip code, your telephone number, your date of birth, your major, your ethnic affiliation, which is optional, the class level at the time of planned enrollment, if you're a California resident or not, the school you last attended, where do you plan to live while attending college? Please list any other scholarships you have applied to and or have been granted. The highest year in school/college completed by your mother or guardian. The highest year in school/college completed by your father or guardian. How many siblings are living at home, including you? How many siblings have attended or are currently attending college? What is your current occupation? What is the current occupation of your mother or guardian? What is the current occupation of your father or guardian? What was your occupation/job 5 years ago? What was your mother or guardian/occupation/job 5 years ago? What was your father or guardian's occupation/job 5 years ago? Did you or your family receive any income during 2022 to 2023 from public assistance from programs such as welfare, AFDC, Social Security, disability, etc.? During the past 10 years, have you or your family received any income from a public assistance program such as welfare, AFDC, Social Security, disability, etc.? Have you or your family ever participated in any publicly funded programs such as subsidized housing, employment/training programs, i.e., CETA, school lunch programs, etc.? Do you or any other children in your family work primarily to contribute to household expenses? Please indicate income of your mother or guardian, even if you don't live with them. 2022 actual, 2023 estimated. Please indicate income of your father or guardian, even if you don't live with them. 2022 actual, 2023 estimated. Total size of household, including applicant, parents, guardian, dependent children, and any other dependents. How long have you lived apart from your parents in years? What is your and your spouse's total household income, 2022 actual, 2023 estimated? Number of dependents in your household, including self, children, and spouse. Please type your personal statement in which you address each of the following: family background, achievement, academic potential, career goals, community work and leadership skills, financial need, and commitment to improving the quality of life of underserved communities. Email your personal statement to Kaifa Gates at kaifa.gates@csus.edu. We thank you for your time spent taking this survey. Your response has been recorded.
And that concludes our video. So hopefully that helps you out in applying for the scholarship. The deadline is going to be May 1st. So we have about 2 weeks left. So please turn it in as soon as possible and apply. Please look out for our second video. Our second video will be a Q&A, giving you answering questions on anything that you may have about the scholarship itself. So please watch out for that video. All right, family. Peace.